Hey guys, Chuck House Mopar. Welcome back. Gonna do a little bit of a cruise tonight to the local Moose. The guys I'm gonna see have had the car club for 60 years. Started in high school. And then they resumed their car club when they all got back from Vietnam, at least some of them. So anyway, yeah, everybody's older than me. One fella, Bill, he's a GTO guy. He's got his dad's 64 4-speed GTO silver car. That he now has a T10 in it and a overdrive with his 410 gear. Like a lot of fanatics, car guys, Bill's also got a 72, I think it is, or 74. It's basically a Ventura GTO. And then he got the last one, I think it was an 04 GTO, something like that. So anyway, yeah, we're gonna go sit at the Moose for a couple hours, probably get something to eat. I got a little hydration and a little dehydration going. That's about the perfect balance, I would say. All right, we'll see you there. Yes, the next day, quick stories about some of these guys. That was fun. Went up there, had a dried chicken sandwich, drank a pop, and just hung out with those guys, trading some stories. Yeah, very cool. The Little Red Express is gorgeous. That's owned by a guy that worked for the local dealership forever, starting in the 50s, and kept on going. Bought cars from them, I'm sure, more than one. Pantera is beautiful. That's about my second favorite car there. Bill, interesting character. At 75, that's got a 5-speed in it, 410 gear. I call him up to go. We're going somewhere. I'm like, bring the 64. He said, no, I bent the rear frame. I'm like, what happened? He said, well, I was up on the 140 drag strip and hammer on his car. What I say, C75, and he bent it. So yeah, whatever. We never grow up, do we? Not really. But somebody asked, how'd you meet your wife? She's sitting there, and she chimes in, says, well, he bought me beer when she was underage. So, 50 years later, whatever it is. And yeah, the last cool thing about Bill, he was a new Marine in 1967. Shows up over in Vietnam, January of '68, just in time for this party the North Vietnamese threw, the Tet Offensive. But yeah, you never know these guys. Anyway, yeah, it was a good time. Got to drive the car around. I blasted around it yesterday, about a half a tank of gas, so that was good. Anyway, going forward, guys, I'm not sure how many videos I'm going to be doing this summer. Maybe, I'm not sure. We'll see. I'll get back to it. I'll keep working on stuff. Maybe I'll get ahead of you guys a little bit on some of these videos. But yeah, just background stuff going on, family stuff that I need to take care of. It's way more important than working on junk out here. But anyway, as always, thanks for coming along. Catch you on the next one. See ya.